Hello, everybody. I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I just wanted to do my daily report on what's going on my tower garden. And I am happy to report, planted on Tuesday, growing by Friday. I think that's pretty good. Let me show you a couple of little sprouts that we've got. I'm so excited. Hello, everybody. I'm going to turn my camera around so you can actually see it. So, as reported in my beautiful tower garden, but look. Can you see it? There we go. There's actually, the Swiss carrot is actually growing roots, which is actually really new to me. The roots are fuzzy. So you learn something new every day. So I've got some Swiss chard growing and something else right here growing. It's so cute. They're definitely babies, but this is definitely growing already. That one's growing. This one's growing. One around the corner's growing. And then another Swiss chard is growing right here. I'm so excited. Oh, here, this is the best one. Last but not least, the one on the back side that you can see the most of. And ask me what it is. I have no idea. But we will see when they get a little bigger on what they are. So I'm super excited to report that 4 days in, we have some growing already. So that's super exciting. So again, thank you so much for doing this journey with me. And keep in mind that Small Business Saturday is tomorrow. So definitely support small if you can. Support your friends that have their own businesses. There's a bunch that do. I am one of them. But I hope you have an amazing day and happy Thanksgiving. I actually participated in Buy Nothing Friday instead of Black Friday, so I did not purchase anything today, and I'm actually quite proud of that. But either way, I hope you have an amazing rest of your weekend, your Thanksgiving weekend, enjoying time with family, enjoying time with loved ones, friends, or just chilling at home. Hope you have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Again, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, and yay, we have plants!